With affiliate marketing you can earn a lot of money, but only if you do it the right way. That's why, in this video I want to show you 11 affiliate marketing mistakes you should avoid. Hello and welcome to the Business Class, your YouTube channel, where you learn all about the topic money. Although money and wealth are not everything, you barely get anywhere without in our modern day society. Seemingly everyone nowadays wants to be rich, famous and live a life in wealth, but of course not everyone will manage to do so. However, if you are determined, focused and working hard, you will be able to achieve your goals. So do no longer waste your potential, do no longer wait for your luck to happen from alone, improve yourself every single day and you will soon start to see the fruits of your success. With my videos, I want to provide you with motivation, knowledge and inspiration, so that you can reach your goals as fast as possible and make the best out of your life. If you have general interest in content about topics like make money online, stocks, luxury and lifestyle, subscribe to the channel and press the bell button, to not miss a single video. Also write a comment with your suggestions and wishes, which content you would like to see more often. And now let's start. 11 affiliate marketing mistakes to avoid. If you are planning to become an affiliate marketer, there are many things to consider and pay attention to in order to avoid rookie mistakes. You have to learn a lot about affiliate marketing and how it works before you can expect to earn much from affiliate marketing. The purpose of this video is to tell you how to become an effective affiliate marketer and how to avoid affiliate marketing mistakes so you can make a steady income every month. As a member of the Affiliate Marketing Forum, you must avoid these mistakes to be successful. Examples of affiliate marketing mistakes. 1. Promoting a product without using it. The biggest mistake you can make as a new affiliate is to promote a product that you yourself have never used. This may seem unimportant, but if you haven't used the product yourself, it takes the personal interest out of your content and makes it seem more like a product description describing various features than an explanation of the product's usefulness. If you are a novice affiliate and need to promote a product, try using it yourself first. By doing so, you will understand the pros and cons of the product, its superior features, cost effectiveness, etc. In addition, you will be able to add your personal touch to the content telling about your client's product. 2. Promoting substandard products. The biggest mistake you should avoid in affiliate marketing is promoting substandard products. If you realize that the quality of a product doesn't match its price, then you shouldn't make any effort to promote that product. Nothing loses customers like promoting a substandard product. The best way to satisfy your customers is to offer a product that provides value for money. Choose reliable products, and they should be from reputable brands if you risk losing your customers. You can check out some great lists of digital products to promote. 3. Sell too many products. Once you become an affiliate marketer, you should avoid selling multiple products at once. In the beginning, you should be enthusiastic and ready to explore the world of affiliate marketing. In practice, however, too many products to sell will take value away from each product, making it difficult to highlight the benefits of all the products on your list. The recommended solution is to carefully choose premium products from well-known brands. Spend time researching products. This way, you can focus on each product individually and showcase its unique qualities. With a limited list of quality products, you can easily come up with content to promote them and avoid one of the major mistakes of affiliate marketing. You can create detailed, honest reviews and engaging product reviews and incorporate them into content for promotion. 4. Low-quality content. Quality content must be the focus if you want to avoid one of the most common affiliate marketing mistakes. Quality content is what draws visitors to your website or blog. This is because content is the first thing that search engine algorithms read and promote. As an affiliate marketer, you must remember that no one wants to read a boring 1,000-word article that offers no value. Instead, if you put yourself in your reader's shoes, you'll get a clear idea of what they expect to read when they see your content. Focusing on improving the quality of your content will greatly help you on your path to becoming an affiliate marketer. 5. Promoting irrelevant products. To be successful in the affiliate market, you must avoid one of the most common mistakes in affiliate marketing. This is the need to choose the right products to promote. With so many products on offer, choosing the right product can be a daunting task for aspiring affiliate marketers. That said, they need to focus on the quality of the product and its relevance to your content, rather than choosing a product based on a high commission rate. By now you should know that affiliate marketing is a relationship-based marketing strategy and works effectively when people rely on each other for helpful and reliable recommendations about various products and services. Therefore, it's not just about the amount of reward, but also about choosing reliable products to promote. The path to earning a decent income in affiliate marketing is not easy and requires hard work, knowledge and determination to succeed. A little hint for you: if the content of the video is important to you and you want to benefit from it in the future, you can easily save the video to your playlist or click on "Watch Later" so that you can watch it again at any time you want. Or, if you don't watch this video as a logged-in member, just save the video as a bookmark in your browser, to always have easy access to it. 6. Making money fast. When people start out as affiliates, they often make the biggest mistake in affiliate marketing by joining too many affiliate programs because they want to make money fast. Joining many affiliate programs may seem like a good idea in the short term, but you won't be able to use multiple products from different affiliate marketing programs for long. The best approach here is to choose a few good programs and learn about the most popular products that each company offers so that you can win your market over time. 7. Don't study keywords. Many marketers don't invest in a good keyword research tool, and not using the right keywords to find a target audience for your product will negatively impact your affiliate marketing dreams. Using a reliable keyword research tool will give you the results you need to build a profitable affiliate marketing tool. Without identifying the words your target audience uses to find the products, services you want to sell as an affiliate, you will not be able to properly optimize your pages for those keywords. Consequently, you will also not be able to exist online and make sales. 8. Not paying attention to endorsements. Affiliates often have to wait days for answers to emails and important business questions. If possible, you need an affiliate program that guarantees 24-hour support, or at least within 24 hours. If not, keep looking for affiliate programs that want to help you. 9. Lack of metrics. Tracking metrics is very important in affiliate marketing. All the data generated, all the statistics are very important for affiliates. You hear impressions, click-through rates, traffic, conversions. You need to pay attention to them so you can measure them. This will allow you to either continue or not. A common mistake new affiliates make is using the same affiliate code on all pages. This makes it difficult to determine which pages have achieved the most sales and which have the highest conversion rate. If you know that for a given product, 5% of visitors ended up buying it, you can calculate revenue per visitor. It's easy to try to expand that page's audience with free traffic or increase it with paid traffic. 10. Sell, not help. Sure, the word marketing is part of affiliate marketing, but for the most part your job as an affiliate is not to sell, but to attract visitors to your sales page. When you're just getting started, buy now. It can be tempting to fill your pages with keywords and links that scream, "Buy now," to drive users to consume. In fact, you should first provide information to help them understand why they should buy the product. Customers want to be informed before they decide to buy a product. That's why product reviews on Amazon are so powerful. You should present yourself more as an unbiased critic than as a salesperson. By doing so, you will, on the one hand, generate more sales, and on the other hand, other users will always come back to you for advice on other products. 11. Spamming with affiliate links. This is probably the most common mistake you shouldn't make. Commenting on affiliate links on blogs, YouTube videos, and Facebook groups is ineffective. Especially on forums, in some Facebook groups and on YouTube, it does no good and will one day be banned. Imagine this scenario. You are walking down a quiet street and someone comes up to you and says, "Hey, I have a great high-tech air purifier, would you like to buy it?" You reply, "I'll give you a great 2% promo. Here's a link to my website." Are you really going to buy them an air purifier? Obviously not, right? So why are you doing that with your affiliate links online? People will never buy a product or service from you if they don't know a little bit about you or the product itself. Tips for choosing a good affiliate program. Affiliate programs are a great way to make money online. Affiliate programs do not require you to spend time developing your own products, taking orders or doing customer service. If you already have a website with high traffic, you can maintain a steady stream of commissions each month without having to do any extra work. To help you get started promoting affiliate programs, I offer the following 5 tips to help you choose the right affiliate program. Choose an affiliate program that matches the content on your site. If your site is focused on a niche market, choose an affiliate program that offers products for that niche market. Join an affiliate program that pays 2-tiered commissions. This will allow you to earn commissions on your own sales as well as the sales of those you refer to the affiliate. Choose an affiliate program that pays high commissions. For example, 30%, 50% of direct sales. Join affiliate programs that offer a variety of products and earn commissions when your referrals buy other services or products. Join an affiliate program that offers excellent affiliate marketing support. Many affiliate programs offer affiliates pre-written advertisements or provide ideas, sales letters, marketing courses, articles, etc. that you can use to promote your services. Remember, the best affiliate programs view their affiliate program as a partnership with you, combining high rewards with great support so you can start making money. Conclusion. Gaining confidence in affiliate marketing is not easy, and you won't get profitable results overnight. You have to work hard to succeed in this industry. By not giving up and avoiding the affiliate marketing mistakes mentioned before, you will increase your chances of success in this field. And if one day, you want to build up your own business or you have one already and want it to grow much bigger and faster, always have in mind that starting a successful business and earning money takes time. You need perseverance and a lot of stamina. It's like you growing a small plant right from the seed. You never know how fast it will grow, how tall it will get, and how many fruits you will be able to collect. It is the same with every business. Some work great, some flop, and some could become very successful. But people way too often resign much too early. So follow my advices. Try out different methods and sooner or later, you will find the one that suits you the most, that fits best to your skills and knowledge, and you will have a well-earning business. No matter if you want to make money online, by affiliate marketing, drop shipping, or even stocks, everything is possible. And even though growing a business and making money can sometimes be a lengthy and tedious issue, it's all worth it at the end. Just stay focused to your goals, work smart and hard, spend your time and resources effectively, be persistent, and sooner or later, you will have success. You will reach your goals and earn enough money to live the life you ever dreamed of. I hope this video was helpful for you and I was able to impart knowledge to you, give you new ideas, or simply inspire and motivate you to change your life in a positive way. If so, please leave a like and write me your opinion and content requests in the comments. If you have general interest in content about topics like make money online, stocks, luxury and lifestyle, subscribe to the channel and press the bell button to not miss a single video. Thank you very much for your interest and especially for your time. And hopefully, we see us in the next business meeting.